Hey guys, welcome to today's video. So today is day 9 for the Beautymas series here on my YouTube channel. So today I'm going to be doing the cold girl makeup trend. I am so excited. I've always wanted to try this makeup trend. So I'm going to start by doing the complexion. So I'm going to start with the Jaffa Royal Hydrate and Radiance Face Primer to prime the face. Then I'm going to go in with my foundation. I'm going to use the NARS Light Reflecting Foundation, and this one is in Mont Blanc. Then I'm going to go in with my Beauty Blender just to press this into the skin. Okay, I'm going to take the Maybelline Instant Age Rewind Concealer on the under eye area and any blemishes. I'm going to just blend it in with a brush. And then I'm going to set the face using the Huda Beauty Easy Bake Loose Powder. This one is in Sugar Cookie. What I'm actually going to do is I'm going to try to pour some of this in the cap. And then I'm going to take my Beauty Blender puff thing to set the face. Next, I'm going to go in with bronzer. I'm going to take the Physicians Formula Butter Bronzer to warm up the face. Before I go into the eyes, I want to prime the eyes. So I'm just going to use my NARS eyeshadow base. I actually want to use the bronzer on the lids as well. Pretty much all over the eyes. Okay, next I'm going to do some blush. So I'm going to take the Milani. Actually, let's continue doing the eyes. I'm going to take the ColourPop Cream Gel Liner in Brouhaha. Just lightly apply this to the lash line. And then I'm going to curl my lashes and apply the Tower 28 Make Waves mascara. I'm going to take a spoolie, or a clean spoolie, and I'm going to do the same thing to the other eye. And I'm also going to add mascara to the bottom lashes. Okay, now we can go to blush. I'm going to take the Milani Baked Blush in Luminoso, and I'm really going to pack this on. I'm also going to go across the nose. Maybe I should add another blush. So I'm going to take I should have done this blush first, that was my bad. I'm going to use the e.l.f. Halo Glow Beauty Wand, the blush one. This is in Rosé You Slay. And go right on top of the Luminoso shade. And I like to use a Beauty Blender to blend this specific blush. Right now, I know it looks a little bit crazy, but I'm going to go in and soften it with the powder. Okay, now let's go to the lips. So I'm going to take the NYX lip liner in Nude Truffle. I'm going to overline the lips just a little bit. Then I'm going to take my Jaffa Royal Luxury Lipstick in Beige Chiffon. I was going to add a lip gloss, but I think I'm going to leave it at that. I feel like that kind of disappeared in this area, so I'm just going to add a little bit more blush right in here. Last thing I'm going to do is I'm going to spray my Milani Make It Last setting spray. So that was it for today's video. See you guys tomorrow for day 10.